Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what you call Mexican style cornbread. Yes, everyone has a recipe for the Mexican cornbread. It's real good, and I want to make one too. So this is my famous Mexican cornbread I want to share with you. In this plate right here, I have jalapeno pepper, I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onions. And I have garlic. We're going to put all this together in this pan and saute. I like to saute my ingredients because the ingredients are very good when they're sauteed and they're not so crunchy in the cornbread. It blends with the cornbread. So what we're doing now is sauteing these vegetables just for a second or two. And then we're going to make sure they're soft. You can smell the garlic and the onions and the bell peppers. They smell so delicious. It smells like this is going to be a great, great, great Mexican cornbread. Okay, what we're doing now is just sauteing this. And so I'm going to put this over to the side. And I'm going to work on getting the mixture together while they're sauteing. Okay? Okay, what we're doing now is adding a cup of self-rising cornmeal and a cup of self-rising flour. I'm blending this all together. Just like that. Put this out. That's done. Blend this all together. Make sure it's all incorporated. And I always add a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder to this. Baking powder. Just about that much. So we can have a good rising technique. Okay, what I'm going to do now is add the milk. And this is regular milk. You can use buttermilk if you want. You can use any milk you desire. 2%, 3%, 4%, or 100%. I like the 100%. So we're using this like this. Get it all blended together. We don't want it too watery. We want it to make sure it's sort of thick like. So we're just going to work with it like this. I never knew the measurement of making cornbread. I don't know why. With the milk. Don't know why, but it happens like that. Okay, what I'm doing now is making kind of thick. You want a thick mixture, not too runny and not too runny. Because that don't make a good cornbread when it's runny like that. Okay, we're stirring this all together like this. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, we're getting it all kind of smooth out. Sit like this. Okay. Just a little bit more milk. Just a little bit more. Just like that. Okay. I got it like that. Now, I love Mexican style cornbread. It is so good to me, y'all. I'm pretty sure it's good to y'all too, but I love it with pinto beans and greens or whatever comes around. Okay, at this point, we're going to use a stick of butter, not margarine, butter. So add the butter like this, like that. That's the butter. Stir that in, like that. Get that blend in real good. Something about the butter and the cornbread makes it taste good. Okay, what we're going to do now is add some corn. I had some corn left over, and I'm going to use half of this cream style corn and whole corn. Just half of that. Blend it in with this here. Just like that. We don't want to use too much of it. Just enough that you have a corn taste in there. Now it depends on if you like corn, that's good, but you gotta be careful with cornbread because it'll make it too thick and you won't be able to enjoy your cornbread because there's too much corn in there. This is just enough corn. Now we're going to do is add the bell peppers and the garlic and the onions. Just like this. We're going to add it in there like that. Going to blend that together. And while that is hot, we're going to add the cheese. Cheese mixture. The cheese, not cheese mixture, but the cheese to it. Just like that. Now we got jalapeno peppers in here. Now you can add some more cayenne pepper in there if you like it hot. And we're going to add some chili powder. Chili powder. Just like that. Then we're going to add a little cumin. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. So what I'm going to do is show y'all the picture. Okay, this is cumin here. This is cumin. This cumin. And this is chili powder. Turn it this way so you can see it. Chili powder. And cayenne pepper. Okay. And then we're going to add a little black pepper. A little black pepper in there. A little black pepper. Won't hurt anything. We're going to use some peppercino. Now this is red pepper flakes. I call it peppercino. That's the Italian way. Add a little peppercino flakes in there like that. This is a good cornbread, y'all. Okay, and then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Add a little Parmesan to it. Let's see, it's a little clumpy. Just a little like that. Okay. And then we're going to continue on stirring it up. This is a good cornbread, and I know it's good because I make it all the time. Okay, and then we're going to stir all that together and make sure it's incorporated. Now, this is what we're going to do. Now, I like to add some more kind of cheese. I like the sharp cheddar cheese that's in a block. So I'm going to do this just like this. Put it all in there like that. Now you can put any spices, anything you want in your cornbread, you can do that. Anything that you want. Right now, I'm just showing you the basic how to do it. Okay, we're going to add a little oil because we don't want it to be dry. Add a little oil like that. And that's what we're going to do. We don't want a dry cornbread. Now don't put too much corn in your Mexican cornbread because it will make it too thick and you will not enjoy it. Okay, just a little will do. Now we're going to move all this over and we're going to get our pan. Get our pan. And it has all in the pan, just like that. So what we're going to do is add, let's see if we can see that. Yeah. We're going to add half the batter in here. Half the batter. And I would like for you to use a square pan instead of a round pan. The square pan is more convenient to use. Okay, we're going to do it like that. Now the reason why I got the oil in there like that is because it's going to make a crust. And you do want a crust. So we're going to add some more cheese. Cheese on it like that. Because that crust is going to come up on that pie. Well, it's not a pie, y'all, excuse me. It's going to come up on the cornbread. And then we're going to add some more palm. Like this. Just like that. And then last, we're going to use some sour cream. Move this over to the side. Use some sour cream. We'll use some sour cream for the last part of it. If I can get it open. Just a little sour cream. Sour cream will go in the top. Like that. Sour cream. And then we're going to pull this on top. And something about the sour cream on the top part makes it so pretty when it cooks. Okay, we're going to spread this out. Let's show you what it looks like. We're going to spread this out. And then we're going to have that little oil on top of that. That makes the crust, y'all, rich and pretty. Okay? What we're going to do next is going to add the rest of the cheese on top, and we're going to bake it. And that's it. And we'll be right back and let you see how it looks when it get finished.